Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right. Well, I'm not in a tie or anything like that or suit because I'm not going to be on the air this afternoon because we're going to one of our Let's Talk events in Bonner Springs, a range at 23 tap room between 5 and 7 p.m. Talk about the weather. There has been a lot to talk about. What has happened, what is going to happen, and it really started on the 1st of March. So we're going to, in this blog, cover what's going to happen. And we have several rounds of thunderstorms into next week. It's about 2 or 3 systems to watch, but we're going to concentrate on the ones that are timed for tomorrow into early Friday, and then over the weekend and maybe into Monday. So let's go through this. Outside right now, it is overcast. We have a low overcast. And we've had a little drizzle and a few sprinkles, but that's all we've had, and that's all we're going to see. We might have a sprinkler or two this afternoon. The Royals play at 1:10. Hopefully they can win 2 in a row, and they will get the game in, even though it looks like it wants to rain. And we look at these low clouds. I'll show you here in a second. The low clouds are keeping the temperature down, 65. If the clouds don't break, it is not going to reach 70 degrees today, even with a southwest wind. Yesterday we had a southwest wind. We got to 80 because of the sunshine. But these clouds are pretty thick. Now, in some spots, they may erode, but it is a huge area of low clouds that go all the way down to the Gulf. There was a storm system the last few days down there that produced rain. We didn't get the rain, but all these low clouds have come up, and they are quite extensive. And if you look on the satellite, when they came up on the northern edge there this afternoon, they are eroding a little bit. So northern Missouri, St. Joseph northward could be well into the 70s. It might get down to I-70 briefly, but then this evening they'll come right back. And the south side of the city may struggle to get to 70 degrees with all of these clouds, and just maybe a sprinkle or two. Then this also indicates that there is moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, and there is a storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest, and it's going to break into a couple pieces. One piece is going to come through tomorrow. Another piece will come through on Sunday, along with the actual system, and then there's a whole new system possibly for the middle of next week, and we will talk about that at another time. There's a lot going on here. So let's go through the situation for tomorrow. We are in a level 2 of 5. Severe risk, mainly for damaging winds, possibly a brief small tornado on the front end, sort of like what happened in Belton or what happened in Shawnee in early March. That's the kind of thing we would see if we're going to have a tornado, not like last Monday where we had these huge supercells. Those are the much bigger ones. And again, it's not even guaranteed with that because these low clouds are going to play a factor tomorrow too. So let's go through this. Tomorrow morning, low clouds and maybe a little more drizzle activity or light rain showers around. And because of that, temperatures like today will struggle to get to 70 degrees. Even though there are some parameters that are favorable for a lot of severe weather, the fact that it's not 80 or 85 is a big limiting factor. Now, in central Kansas, there may be a little wedge of 80-degree temperatures with the high humidity. And you can see at 3:15 tomorrow or so, there's some supercells forming out in central Kansas. We just have these drizzly rain showers. Then from 3 to 7, the drizzly rain showers kind of move off. And here comes the line around 7 o'clock entering northwest Missouri. Get damaging wind would be the main threat, and we'll have to watch for those little brief spin-ups in the front end of the line in a few spots. We'll have to just keep an eye on it. Also, as we go to 7 to 10 p.m., 10:30, the line comes right in. See temperatures around 60, so that's pretty cool for severe weather. But flash flooding could be a threat. I always say flash flooding, it kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning. So yes, we'll have to watch that. As is, this is pretty progressive and just moving along, so it wouldn't be a huge flash flooding threat. Some models take part of this line and stall it over Kansas City. This model does not. Keeps it moving along. And so right now, we just have to watch for a part of that line stalling because rainfall rates will be 1 to 2 inches an hour. Then by Friday morning, we'll be in the 50s, maybe even upper 40s. How much rain will we see? Most locations will see 1/2 to 1 inch. But where the heavier thunderstorms are, you'll see 1 to 2 inches. And again, if there's any part of that line stalling, it could be more than that. This is just for tomorrow into early Friday. What about Friday? Well, Friday is a calmer day. The severe threat shifts off to the south and east, and we probably have actually some pretty decent weather here in the 60s and low 70s and some sun. Saturday, the severe threat is getting closer. There may be a cluster of thunderstorms forming in central Kansas that drop southeast that could be severe. We'll have to keep an eye on it if it forms farther north. It is Sunday where we're in a level 2 to 3 of 5 risk, and that could go into early Monday as well. The last few days, we've been talking about how it might be too cool for the severe weather because we've been in the 60s. There's been a trend towards it being a little warmer. So again, this active wild weather pattern is continuing. Let's go through our powercast here. And there's Friday morning. The rain and thunderstorms from tomorrow night are moving away. Friday, generally a nice day, and that's severe threat to our south. Then on Saturday, there's this whole situation forming with this low pressure, warm front, cold front, triple or dry line, and a trough. It's almost like a quadruple point there. And you can see some thunderstorms form. You see that cluster that goes to our south. That's where there could be some severe thunderstorms, hail and damaging winds. Will that form farther north? Something we'll watch. And the surface low kind of backs up Saturday night, and then here we go on Sunday morning. Everything starts to lift back to the north, and here come the thunderstorms. Now, some are north of the warm front, so that could mean just hail and heavy rain. But if we get on the warm front, that's where we could be a problem with severe weather, and we're getting close to that. And then during the night on Sunday night into Monday, everything just blows through. If the low pressure area comes through during the day, we can have more severe weather. It brings the warmer air in. But the fact that it's coming at night, it's cooler, it will help mitigate the severe weather. We got to watch that. It's obviously a complex situation, and that moves off. So when you add up the rainfall for tomorrow, you add up the rainfall for the weekend, and you add up the rainfall for the middle of next week, here is what we're looking at. 1 to 2, 2 to 4 inches of rain over most locations. Some areas could see more than that. And also keep in mind, these 2 to 4 inch areas move all over the place because it just depends where the thunderstorm's set up and who sees the most. And so we'll just have to watch it. Like some areas tomorrow night could get 2, 3 inches of rain real fast in a small area. And that would mean they get 4, 5, or 6 inches of rain by the middle of next week. So again, just have to kind of see how all this evolves. But basically, several more rain chances. So even today, you have a chance to mow the yard if you want to. So and then tonight, cloudy, low 60 to 65. It'll be windy, and there's a chance of some drizzle after midnight. Then tomorrow during the day, kind of drizzly, a few rain showers, windy, mild. I have a high of 70 to 75. It could be a little cooler than that if there's clouds stay thicker, especially if there's drizzle. And then tomorrow night, a good chance of thunderstorms crossing the area, especially about 7 p.m. to midnight. And some may be severe with flash flooding, damaging winds the main threat, and we'll have to watch for the brief small tornado on the front end of the line. On the Super 10-day forecast, the chance of rain on Friday is pretty low. Saturday is low, but we'll have to watch that cluster of thunderstorms forming. Sunday into Monday, it's higher, and then also the middle of next week, another round of thunderstorms. Wow, that is a lot of weather to talk about. It has been nonstop since early March. Have a great rest of your week ahead. Stay healthy. Stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised.